Have you ever seen your furry best friend suddenly start to shiver or tremble and felt that little pang of worry? It is completely natural to feel concerned when your dog shows signs of distress or discomfort. Understanding these signals is a huge part of being a great pet parent. When your dog is shaking or trembling, it is their way of communicating a wide range of things to you. This can range from perfectly normal reactions like being cold or excited, to more serious underlying issues such as fear, pain, or even certain medical conditions. The key is to observe the context and any other symptoms to figure out what they are trying to tell you. Dogs can shake for many different reasons. Let's explore some of the most common ones. One frequent cause is simply being cold, especially for smaller breeds or those with short coats, just like we might shiver to generate warmth. Another common reason is excitement. Think about how your dog quivers with anticipation when you grab the leash for a walk or when you come home after a long day. Fear and anxiety are also big factors. Loud noises like thunderstorms or fireworks, a visit to the veterinarian, or even separation anxiety can trigger trembling as a stress response. Dogs can also shake because they are experiencing pain or discomfort. This could be due to an injury, arthritis in older dogs, or internal issues like an upset stomach. Sometimes, shaking can be a sign of a more serious medical condition. Conditions like generalized tremor syndrome, often seen in smaller white dog breeds, neurological disorders, kidney disease, low blood sugar, or even certain types of poisoning can manifest as tremors. It is important to remember that dogs are masters at hiding pain, so shaking might be their only obvious symptom. So, what should you do if you notice your dog shaking? First, take a moment to calmly observe the situation. Consider when the shaking started, how long it has lasted, and if there are any other accompanying symptoms like limping, vomiting, diarrhea, or changes in behavior. If your dog seems cold, try to warm them up with a blanket. If they appear scared, gently try to remove them from the stressful environment and offer calm reassurance, but always respect their space if they prefer to be alone. Check them gently for any obvious signs of injury or pain, especially if the shaking is localized to a specific body part. What many pet parents do not realize is how critical it is to look for the whole picture. For example, a dog shaking and panting after exercise on a hot day could be overheated, which is a medical emergency. On the other hand, a senior dog who starts shaking might be experiencing a flare-up of arthritis or muscle weakness, which can be managed with veterinary care. This holistic observation, noting the environment and any other behaviors, is often the first step a veterinarian will take to understand what is happening. Ultimately, your dog's shaking is a signal that something is going on, whether it is a simple emotion or a more complex health issue. By paying close attention to their body language, understanding the common causes, and knowing when to seek professional advice, you are empowering yourself to keep your beloved companion safe, comfortable, and healthy for many years to come. Your proactive approach makes all the difference in their well-being.